Hey, it's Graham here. Let's get right into it. Today I'm breaking down the time activities by customer detail report in QuickBooks Online. What it is, why it matters, exactly how to use it without wasting time. Agenda real quick, intro, purpose, how to access, components, customization, use cases, limitations, best practices, summary, and Q&A. Introduction. This report shows the detailed time your team, employees, contractors, vendors spends on tasks for each customer. If you bill by the hour or track project time, this is your home base. Purpose. Use it to track billable hours, assign time to customers and projects, monitor productivity, invoice accurately, and analyze profitability. In short, no guesswork, no leaks. Accessing the report. In QuickBooks Online, go to Reports. Search time activities by customer detail, click it. Set your date range and filters. Run report, that's it. Report layout, customer name, employee or vendor, date of activity, service or description, hours worked, and billable status. Picture the report, a clean list grouped by customer, each line showing the service item, hours, and billing flag. It's the paper trail behind every invoice. Customization options, date range, customer, employee, vendor, billable versus non-billable, service item, and which columns show. If it's noise, hide it. If it's vital, pin it. Filter options. Need specifics? Pick individual customers. Focus on billable only or isolate certain service types. Filters. Faster answers. Grouping options. Group by customer, employee, vendor, service item, or date. Use this to spot trends, like a client spiking your team's time, or a service that always runs long. Exporting. Push to Excel for pivot tables and charts. Export to PDF for sharing, or save custom templates for management reporting. Keep a weekly version so you can compare over time. Use case 1, client billing. Pull all billable hours, tie them directly to invoices, and stop leaving money on the table. Use case 2, project profitability. Compare time spent versus budget to see what's profitable and what's not. Use case 3, resource allocation. See who's spending the most time where. Rebalance workloads before burnout or bottlenecks hit. Limitations. It's only as good as the time entries. Visualization is limited. You may need manual checks and sometimes external tools for advanced dashboards. Best practices. Get consistent time tracking. Daily, not weekly. Review this report every week. Use filters to answer one question at a time. Export to Excel if you need visuals. Interpreting results. Look for customers eating disproportionate time, unbilled hours, overused employees or vendors, and trends week over week. Integration with invoicing. Billable hours flow straight into invoices. Fewer errors, faster cash. Integration with projects. If you use QBO projects, link time to budgets, and progress to monitor profitability in real time. Summary. This report is essential for tracking time, tightening billing accuracy, supporting better decisions, and managing resources efficiently. Q&A. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll pin the most helpful answers and add quick examples if you need them. Call to action. If this helped, tap like, subscribe for more practical QuickBooks and finance breakdowns, and grab my free time to invoice checklist linked below so you never miss a billable hour again. See you in the next one.